Who got thumbs up on my head? Hello. Today's signs are places that we like to go. So I've got our little postcards here from our days out or our trips out. Right, Cinders, do you want to pick one, babes? Okay, lovely. What is it?
Here.
Yes, right. So we've got the zoo.
Going here.
Zoo.
Here.
Nice. The zoo.
Here.
Zoo.
Here.
Brilliant. Okay. Would you like to pick another one? Which postcard are you going to pick? Okay, that one. Do you know that one?
Farm.
That's right. Brilliant. The farm. So we might go and see a farm.
Farm.
Really nice signing. Well done. A trip to the farm. Great. Okay, would you like to pick another one? That one? Do you know that one? That one is soft play. Play area.
I will just play.
Yeah, soft play. Soft play.
Play.
Really nice.
Soft play.
Soft play.
Play. Soft play.
Soft play. Okay, which one are you going to pick?
That one.
That one? Let's have a look. What have you got here? Ah, the beach.
Okay, my beach.
Yeah. Right, go to the beach.
Go to the beach.
Lovely signing. The beach.
The beach.
The beach.
Beach.
Okay, what have we got next? Oh, there's one on both sides, isn't there? So we've got the playground and park.
Lovely.
Okay, so park.
Park.
So the park.
Park.
The park.
Park.
Yep. And the playground.
Playground.
Yeah, to the playground.
People playground.
Lovely.
Next.
Yeah, we got some more here. Which one do you fancy? Oh, what's that one? Let's have a look. The theme park. Yeah, lots of fun rides. Theme park. Okay, ready? Theme park.
Park.
Yeah. The theme
Park.
park.
Theme park.
What have you got there? Do you know that one?
Okay.
Cinema.
I'll go cinema.
Yeah, we like going to the cinema. The cinema.
Cinema.
Great. Well, we've got a few left. What have you got there? Oh, this is somewhere we might go for a walk.
Look a walk.
Yeah, a walk in the countryside.
Country.
In the countryside.
Countryside.
Yeah. Or we might go for a walk in the woods. Yeah, well done. Woods.
Woods.
Yeah, nice. So we sign lots of trees there, don't we?
Woods.
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 Really good. Okay, last two. Which one? Do you know that one?
Bowling.
Yay! Bowling. Go 10-pin bowling. Yeah, that's perfect signing. Bowling.
Bowling.
Whoosh.
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 And then when we get them all down, we go, winner!
Yes.
Okay, and last one then. Last one. This is one of our favourite things, isn't it? We don't do it very often, but when we do go, we love it. And that is going to see a show at the theatre. That's it, at the theatre. Fantastic signing. See if you can remember those signs. Have a look at our photos and see if you can sign them. Bye. See you. See